Good morning, everyone. I am your SS teacher Shweta. We have completed Chapter 3 India Physical Features Part 1. Now it's time for revision. Let us revise what we have learned in this chapter. Revision Chapter 3 India Physical Features Part 1. The northern mountains are located in the northern part of India. The Himalayan range is bordered by the Karakoram and Hindu Kush ranges in the northwest, the Tibetan Plateau in the north, and the Indo-Gangetic Plain in the south. The Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges: the Greater Himalayas or HIMADRI range, the Middle Himalayas or HIMACHAL range, and the Lesser Himalayas or Shivalik range. The Greater Himalayas are the northernmost and the highest of all the Himalayan ranges. The world's highest peak, Mount Everest, lies here. Kanchenjunga, Nanga Parbat, and Nanda Devi are some of the highest peaks of this range. The range also has many mountain passes. A route through a mountain is called a mountain pass. Some important Himalayan passes are Zojila, Jalipla, Shipkila, and Nathula. The Greater Himalayas are covered with snow throughout the year. Many glaciers are present in this range of the Himalayas. Glaciers are large masses of moving ice. Many Himalayan rivers are formed by the melting of glaciers. The Indus, Ganga, and Yamuna are some of rivers which originate from the Himalayas. The Middle Himalayas are found between the Greater and the Lesser Himalayan ranges. Many beautiful valleys like Kashmir, Kulu, and Kangra are situated in this range. Hill stations like Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, and Darjeeling are also located in this range. This region is well suited for growing crops. The thick forest of the Middle Himalayas consists of trees such as pine, oak, fir, walnut, spruce, and juniper. These trees are useful to us in many ways. This range is also famous for apple orchards and tea plantations. The Lesser Himalayas are the southernmost range of the Himalayas. This range is made of mud, sandstone, and soft rocks. The Purvanchal range lies to the northeast of India. It covers the states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Tripura, Nagaland, Meghalaya, and Mizoram. Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, Naga, and Mizo hills lie in the Purvanchal range. Terrace farming is practiced on the slopes of this region. In this type of farming, the slopes of a hill are cut into steps and crops are grown on them. This region is well suited for growing rice, vegetables, pulses, and sugarcane. Let us revise importance of the northern mountains. The Himalayas have saved us from many invasions in the past. They act as a barrier to the cold winds blowing from Central Asia in winter. They stop the rain-bearing winds from leaving the country. Thus, they cause heavy rainfall in many parts of northern India. Many rivers originate from the northern mountains. These rivers bring down fertile soil to the northern plains. The forest provide valuable wood and medicinal plants. These mountains are home to a variety of animals such as yak, goat, musk deer, sheep, tiger, and rhinoceros. Many tourists visit the Himalayas for adventure sports such as river rafting and paragliding. The northern plains are an important physical division of India. They are situated to the south of Himalayas. These plains are also known as the Indo-Gangetic Plains. These plains are flatlands formed by the silt deposited by the Himalayan rivers and their tributaries. They are suitable for growing a variety of crops. An area watered by a large river and its tributaries is called a river basin. The northern plains consist of three river basins: the Ganga basin, the Brahmaputra basin, and the SATLUJ basin. The Ganga basin covers the states of Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and parts of Jharkhand and West Bengal. River Ganga begins its journey from the Gangotri glacier. It is joined by many tributaries like Yamuna, Gomti, and Son. When river Ganga enters West Bengal, it splits into two branches. One branch flows through Bangladesh and is known as Padma. The other branch flows through West Bengal and is known as Hooghly. The Brahmaputra basin is formed by river Brahmaputra. The river originates in Tibet and flows parallel to the Himalayan mountains as Sangpo. Brahmaputra enters India through Arunachal Pradesh, where it is called Dihang. Then it flows through Assam and finally enters Bangladesh. Here it joins river Ganga before entering the Bay of Bengal. The two rivers form the world's largest delta called the Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta. The Satluj basin covers the states of Punjab and Haryana. The main tributary of river Satluj is Bias. The places situated on this basin receive little rainfall. The Bakranagal Dam is built on river Satluj to provide water for irrigation and to produce electricity. The northern plains are best suited for agriculture as the soil found here is very fertile. Crops like rice, wheat, sugarcane, millets, jute, and maize are grown in this region. The northern plains are flatlands and thus they facilitate the building of roads and railways. The northern plains are not very cold, unlike the Himalayas, and are inhabited by many people. Various crops are grown in the northern plains. Okay students, let us quickly revise with the help of this mind map. India. Physical features Part 1. Northern Himalayas, Northern Plains. Hima means snow, Alya means abode. Together Himalaya means the abode of snow. It is present in the northern part of our country. It is bordered by the Karakoram and Hindu Kush ranges on the northwest, the Tibetan Plateau in the north, and the Indo-Gangetic Plains in the south. It is consists of three parallel ranges: the Greater Himalayas, the Middle Himalayas, and the Lesser Himalayas. Northern Plains. It is also known as the Indo-Gangetic Plains. It is one of the most fertile regions of the world. An area watered by a large river and its tributaries is called a river basin. It is consist of three river basins: the Ganga basin, the Brahmaputra basin, and the Satluj Basin. Students, I hope you all have enjoyed today. We will meet soon on the next session with the new chapter. Take care. Bye.